is a winter storm warning from the National Weather Service. With the following in Colorado, the northern Front Range foothills, including Estes Park and Nederland, winter storm warning in effect until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time this evening. What? Heavy snow ongoing. Additional snow accumulations between 2 and 6 inches. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. Where? The northern Front Range foothills. When? Until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time this evening. The following impacts are expected. Travel will be hazardous due to snow, slick roads, and reduced visibility. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The latest road conditions for Colorado can be obtained by calling 511 or by going to www.cotrip.org. This is a winter weather advisory.